we have file analysis over here.
Yeah.
We look at this file.
Yep.
Right? And if you click this file, let's say you click this file.
Yep.
It tells you that this file only covers 2 sectors. Right?
Okay.
Correct? So, sector 104 and 105. Correct? You come up here, it tells you it's 1,000. You understand?
Yours is fine.
Yeah.
You understand what I'm saying?
Yeah, we're with you.
First of all, you want to make sure that this file actually starts here and also ends here. You could come over here and then view the content of this file. Right? The next. You start from here. Is this the true end of the file? That's something you have to answer. Maybe instead of copying just from, 104 and 105, as we have over here, come back here, as you have it over here, you could do 105, 106, and 107, 104, 105, 106. You understand what I'm saying? Again, I'm just telling you how you should do it. Just because you extract the file over here, doesn't mean you've extracted the real complete file. Because when you view the file under this section, view the content of the file as we did, I'm going to close this one. When we did look at the content over here, do you have a bunch of 0 over here? Are you sure this is the end of the file? Right? Does that make any sense?
Yes, so how you get the right stuff out?
Well, how did we do it in Slukit?
That I can do.
So then that means you have to go back and carve out 3 sectors instead of
So
carving
you're
out
just
2.
saying, go out of box, jump to the command line. and do it
Yeah,
there. Okay.
absolutely.
Okay.
The reason we taught you how to use the tools is so that somebody couldn't fool you with the GUI, because you know what is working behind the GUI. You understand what I'm saying? What separates you from somebody who just learned how to click and go on a mouse is that they don't know what's going on behind this. If this doesn't solve the problem for them, they couldn't roll up their own sleeve and do it manually.
Okay.
Right?
That's a good point.
So just because this one is pointing to 2 sectors, that doesn't mean this thing ends at the end of 2 sectors.
Yeah.
And if you can open it, the next thing I'm going to do is let me go further, because I didn't see any bunch of zeros here. That was traditional for hand of files.
Right.
So if I didn't see any bunch of 0 over here and it's pointing to sector 104 and 105, then maybe I should count 104, 105, and 106.
So did they work for you guys?
It works for me.
You understand what I'm saying? I'm just telling you that's how you could fix it manually.
Yes, yes, and that's good to know.
1,000 bytes
But
is
then
the
how-
right
You
size
understand?
of the file before it's fixed.
So you go back and then, hey, it's possible we didn't copy the right file, whatever it is, I'm just letting you know. All right? There are tons of, right?
In this particular case, though, it's 1,000, but it's 1,000 long, and each block size is 512, right?
It should be a little bit more than that.
Should be.
Yeah.
Okay.
Just add it up, 512 plus 512.
It's 1024.
That should give you more than that, not just 1,000. And that
124.
24, byte is something, counts for something. You will have a corrupt file if you just copy that one out by itself.
So in this case, would it be necessary to extract that extra sector?
Absolutely.
Okay, I guess I'm.
Because you couldn't open it, right?
Right.
You had to find a repair tools to fix it. If you had copied all the sectors, you wouldn't need to fix it. You would have opened up an actual file.
Gotcha.
So if we would have grabbed 106 and 107, we would have been fine. We
would have been fine, yeah.
Okay.
Is this guy's-
Okay.
But, hello? But if you extract it just like that, because there's only a couple of few bytes, that's why you're able to download a repair software to fix a zip file.
Gotcha.
But just so you know, that doesn't fix all problems.
Right.
Because in most cases, you're gonna have to open your eyes and see this file probably doesn't end here. There is not a bunch of zeros at the end of the file that shows out this is the end of the file. Right? I mean, we have data up until the last stuff over there.
Okay.
right? Okay, so having said that, you downloaded the zip file, okay? You fix the stuff, or you went further and carve out the 3 sectors as needed, which you can do with your X dump. Now, the thing I want to kind of quickly remind you of something over here that's going to be very, very important is going further right now. Now you saw the file that is extracted, and you want to open it, it's asking for password. You don't have a password. What are the things you could do? You could go for your keyword search, just like we did earlier. All I did here was to enter password and see if I get something, right? Case sensitive, search. I have one return over here, sector 39. If I click X over here, I'm going to look at it if I want to see just the ASCII. And I said the parent gave them money for lunch. Let's see if I'm going to see what I'm looking for.
The password is toward the end.
So I email you the schedule I'm using. I think it helps me cover myself and that. Tell me what you think.
Right there.
Open it, use the password that you sent me before the file. Talk to you later. So generally, there's something going on over here, right? Somebody sent, some file, which was, expressed a little bit much earlier. I can go ahead and extract all the files that I find on this section, just pretty much all of them, right? Go over here just a minute. And that's sector 39, right?
Yep.
Sector 39. I can go to D card, right? Um, 39, correct?
Yeah, 39.
Hold on just a minute. BLK cards.
Okay.
Okay.
And the 2 is for what?
I just want to see if there's any string files attached to it.
What does the 2 represent?
I want to see 2 sectors.
2 sectors, okay.
Thank you.
Now we got 5 sectors. Yeah.
Choo-choo.
In general, I'm just looking for any strings. And for this particular challenge, the string is attached to that. I'm just going to see if I can get it to 10.
Well, is it